बेसिकली क्या, जब हम शूट कर रहे थे तो वहाँ पे कम से कम 300-400 डांसर्स थे एंड सम 100 ओल्ड डांसर्स एंड बाबा उनको देख के बहुत मिस करने, क्योंकि कम से कम 20-25 साल का रिलेशन था और वो उनकी आंखों में आंसू देख के बाबा को रहा नहीं गया, बाबा भी रोने लग गए, फिर मेरे को भी नहीं लग गया। मतलब वो मोमेंट ही बहुत अलग था बिकॉज ऑल डांसर्स मतलब बाबा को बहुत प्यार करते हैं, तो वो एक हल्का सा मोमेंट।
I'll say that we don't want to let the people down, and at the same time we don't want to let him down again. So we're doing our best. It's a huge responsibility because I guess all the people that love him, they always expect him to be around, you know, and I'm sure people are, if he was around, they would be waiting for him to visit their cities, you know, be seen a lot more. But since he's not here, I think I can just say that we're doing our best and we're keeping our spirits high, you know, because that's something we learned from him. He was holding his strength so hard and he shot with us, you know, till the last day. So I'll say that we're doing that for him and we're just doing everything that we can.
देखिए भगवान ने चाहा तो पिक्चर 100 करोड़ शुरू होगी, क्योंकि संजू बाबा ने बहुत दिल से इस पिक्चर के अंदर काम किया। कन्विक्शन के बाद जब उनको पता लगा कि 28 दिन के बाद ही हैज टू गो टू जेल, उसके बाद भी उन्होंने 20 दिन तक लगातार इस पिक्चर के लिए 10-10 घंटे लगातार शूट किया, क्योंकि आप ये समझ सकते हैं उस हालात के अंदर कोई भी आदमी हंस भी नहीं सकता। तब उन्होंने ये गाना जो अभी आपने बंदा शूट है उसके बाद किया, प्रकाश राज के साथ गाना उसके बाद में किया और क्लाइमेक्स उसके बाद में किया। ये पिक्चर में दिल से लगी है।
You know, there was a time when every hero was just a romantic hero, and now every hero is an action hero. So I like the fact that I'm a part of a Masi entertainer like this. Yes, the film is earthy. Like you see, action prevails in the film, and it's got a lot of spice, you know, from emotions to action to drama, and there's pretty much everything in it. I guess it's the flavor of the season, and that's why it is so. I totally agree. I think if it was anyone else, I think he would have said, I want to go home. But it was commendable how he danced, and I think only our Ganesh sir could pull it off. I still remember after every step that Sanjay Dutt used to do, all the dancers used to start clapping, and he was just enjoying himself throughout the process. If you watch the songs, you will not be able to tell us which song he shot before the judgment and which one after. So I guess that's Ganesh for you. Frankly, I guess every day has been a memorable day for us. I think the most special thing was the day when he was dancing with all of us, because that he does very rarely. So I guess Mr. Sanjay Dutt dancing with us should be the most memorable day. I still remember all the dancers were clapping and encouraging him, and he spent the whole day literally doing steps. I guess that's going to be the most memorable for us.